hybrid compact SUV. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Toyota San Fernando. 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross GRS. Yung price, 1,952,000 pesos. Bago na yung design ng front fascia, mas malinis siyang tignan compare sa previous model. Body color na yung front grille na dating gloss black. May front camera, naka-LED projector headlamps with DRL. LED rin yung fog light. May built-in dashcam, 18-inch alloy wheels, naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Gloss black yung side mirror cover. May camera for panoramic view. Equipped din to ng blind spot monitor. Medyo mababa nga lang yung ground clearance. Equipped ng keyless or smart entry. Check natin yung interior. Black perforated leather seats. Power seat adjustment sa driver. Manual naman sa front passenger. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Soft leather naman yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. GRS variant to, kaya naka-red seatbelt. Leather wrap steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering to, kaya magaan yung feel. Tilt and telescopic adjust yung steering column. Full screen na yung instrument cluster. Push start ignition. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, sakto lang yung ride height. Kita pa rin yung hood ng konti. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Wala nga lang volume knob. May 2 USB port, dual zone climate control. May wireless charging pad. Yung transmission, CVT. May EV mode, pero maiksi lang yung range. Naka-electronic parking brake with brake hold. Soft leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Medyo maliit lang yung storage space, pero okay na rin to. May 12-volt socket din. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Equipped din to ng panoramic moonroof. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Black perforated leather seats. Sa door panel, soft touch material. Soft leather naman yung armrest. Power window switch na automatic. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Okay lang yung kneeroom, hindi sobrang luwag, hindi rin masikip. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, medyo mataas din yung hump. May AC vent at 2 USB port. Bitin lang yung foot space sa middle seat, pero yung seating position, okay lang. Yung headroom, nasa 3 to 4 inches pa. Okay naman yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees, kasi reclining seat naman to. Check natin yung cargo space. Halos same pa rin yung design ng rear end compare sa previous model. Full LED yung taillight. Clear yung taillight compare sa lower variant na red. May reverse camera, parking sensor. Equipped to ng power liftgate. Yun nga lang, low bat yung display nila dito. Check na lang natin dito sa loob. Malaki na rin yung storage space. Nasa underfloor storage yung spare tire na hindi full size. Check natin yung engine bay. 1.8 liter gasoline engine with electric motor. Same lang yung power output nitong GRS compare sa lower variant. Iba lang yung suspension tuning nitong GRS. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.